This video is to demonstrate how to pair a single Careium smoke detector to a Eliza S dispersed alarm unit. If there are multiple smoke detectors in the property, then you can interlink them so that if one smoke detector sounds, then other smoke detectors in the property will also sound. There's a 10-year battery life on the smoke detector, so the first step is to carefully remove the mounting plate or the base from the smoke detector. Connect the wire from the top part of the smoke detector to the base. On the base, press and hold the side button while at the same time turning on the radio transmitter. So there's an on and off switch. Turn it on and the red light will flash continuously. Press the button, the side button once again, and let go. Carefully put together the smoke detector. Now to pair it to the alarm unit, same way in which you would pair a personal trigger or a pendant, press and hold the green button until you hear a beep. Let go. And to activate the smoke detector, just press the top button once. You'll hear a confirmation. And then the main internal button, integral button on the alarm unit to close down the pairing. And that's your smoke detector paired. To raise a test call through to the alarm receiving centre, we need to wait 2 minutes before raising the test call. And the test call is simply done by pressing the test button on the smoke detector 3 times. One, 2,
smoke alarm. Link control.
Hello, it's Wayne doing a test call. Does that come through as a smoke detector?
It sure has.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Wayne. Bye.
Bye.